Jamaican style fricassee chicken. Listen, this chicken is delicious, juicy, tasty. Stay tuned for this quick video. Don't forget to drop a comment, subscribe, and set your notification bell. Thank you for your support. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. In this video, I'll show you a quick way how I cook my Jamaican style fricassee chicken. Welcome to Shelly's Jamaican Baker and Lifestyle. I have lots of videos on how I season my chicken. Check out my chicken playlist on YouTube. Now, I fry my chicken in a little oil. Feel free to add a little sugar to give it a darker color if you prefer. After frying, then I add in a sauce to cook for at least 30 minutes. Listen, it's been a while I haven't had fricassee chicken, but I have lots of videos in my chicken playlist on YouTube. For my gravy, I use chicken broth, scallion, thyme, onion, bell pepper, pimento seeds, ginger, garlic. And I add this to boil in some chicken broth once I am done frying this chicken. Season your pot as you wish. If you want it well salty, well tasty, taste your pot as you go. This is what mine looked like while it was cooking in its gravy. Listen, I use ketchup in my gravy because I did not use any tomato in my seasonings that I fried up, and it does add a little flavor and taste with a little zing of whether it's your homemade jerk or Walker's Wood jerk, which is one of my favorite. In this video, quick and easy way how I do my fricassee chicken. I specifically love this chicken with pigeon, aka Jamaican call it gungo rice and peas. And listen, Jamaican was in my house today. It was a Jamaican meal from start to finish. There goes your girl pigeon, peas, gungo rice and peas with some fricassee chicken, a little mac and cheese, also some potato salad which I didn't dish on my plate, tomato and some lettuce. And listen, this was delicious. It was so tasty with a little oversalt baked potato on the side. Don't forget, even if you're not following this girl, give the video a like. It is free. In my videos, I do real-time Jamaican style cooking and other Caribbean cultures meal. I also prepare not only Jamaican, but look at a girl pot of fricassee chicken. Salute to this. Thank you guys for stopping by, and see you soon in another video. Don't forget, it's free to always give the video a like. Set that notification bell if you are a subscriber. Thank you for your support. And if you're also a follower, thank you also for your support. My heart goes out to you. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give the video a like. Call it baked chicken, brown stew chicken. It is fricassee chicken for me. See you soon in another video. Bye. The storms we chase are leading us.